Hello everyone, and welcome to Cook It Easy. In this video, we'll make a delicious homemade Genovese pesto, super easy to prepare and ready in less than 5 minutes. Here's what you'll need: 100 grams of fresh basil, washed and well dried, 100 grams of extra virgin olive oil, 50 grams of Parmesan cheese, 30 grams of Pecorino cheese. You can substitute it with extra Parmesan if you prefer. 2 small garlic cloves, a pinch of coarse salt about 3 grams, 35 grams of pine nuts. Let's get started. Begin by blending the garlic and pine nuts. Once blended, add the fresh basil leaves and the salt. Continue blending while slowly pouring in the olive oil. After a few seconds, add the cheeses and blend again until you achieve a smooth, creamy texture. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the blender to avoid any residue and ensure a perfect consistency. Blend for a few more seconds, and your pesto is ready. I love enjoying it with pasta, but you can also use it to fill sandwiches or to add a touch of freshness and flavor to any dish. For this recipe, after bringing water to a boil, add some salt and cook your pasta. I chose spaghetti, but pesto pairs well with any type of pasta. When the pasta is cooked, drain it, keeping a bit of the cooking water in the pot, add the pesto, and mix it all together. Now, it's time to plate up and impress everyone with this super easy and delicious recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple and tasty ideas. See you in the next recipe.